Welcome to the ultimate guide for mastering the art of grilling. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just looking to up your BBQ game, we've got you covered with tips and tricks to make every cookout a success. First things first, let's talk about fire. For charcoal grills, getting the perfect heat is key. Start with a chimney starter to light your coals evenly. No lighter fluid needed, just crumpled newspaper and a match. Once the coals are hot and covered with ash, arrange them for direct and indirect heat zones. This way you can sear your meat over high heat and then cook it through with indirect heat. Next up, seasoning. Good meat deserves good seasoning. For steaks, a simple mix of salt, pepper, and a touch of garlic powder works wonders. For chicken or ribs, don't be afraid to use a marinade or rub to add depth of flavor. Iskyu. Now let's get grilling. For perfect grill marks and a juicy interior, let your meat sit on the grill without moving it too much. Resist the urge to flip too often. Let those grill marks develop. Invest in a good meat thermometer. It's the best way to ensure your meat is cooked to perfection. For steaks, aim for 130 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare, 145 degrees for medium, and 160 degrees for well done. Don't forget about the sides. Grilled vegetables, corn on the cob, and homemade sauces can elevate your BBQ to the next level. Try grilling some veggies alongside your meat for a complete meal. The best part of grilling is sharing your delicious creations with friends and family. So fire up that grill, enjoy the process, and savor the rewards of your hard work. Thanks for tuning in to our guide on mastering the art of grilling. If you enjoyed these tips, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more great BBQ and grilling content. Until next time, keep the grill hot and your taste buds satisfied.